Hi again, YouTube. So here's the vegan protein shake again. A great thing for weight loss, better bowel function, saving the planet because it's all vegan. Looking for about this many blueberries. Organic, Costco. Cheapest ones I found. I just put these bananas to freeze. Peak of ripeness. Really creamy. Here's some already frozen ones. Okay, no animals in here. So, you know, vegan is good for your health. If you can replace a meal a day with this, you're already a third to a half vegan, right? So there's that advantage. And if you're gonna be, this is something that was developed for ski racing, sort of. You're in a hurry to leave the house. You gotta be on the mountain at 7 o'clock to race train. Well, you're gonna be belching eggs and bacon, or you're gonna have a nice protein shake in your belly. So yeah, this Super Greens, and I just put a crazy amount of that in there now these days. Something that helps. You got a pound of this stuff. Sometimes it's good to get an old box and then split it, because when this stuff is compressed, it turns into, it rots pretty quickly. So there's a little tip there for that. But you know, you're never gonna eat this big of a handful of greens. And in a shake like this, I at least barely taste it. So far you got pretty good nutrition there. You know, and we're gonna have all those greens. And then this stuff from Costco again, vegan, got probiotics. Oops. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go with the recommended dose today so that I don't open a new bottle for this video. Okay, so 2 scoops, 21 grams of protein. Got all that great nutrition so far. Okay, Mina, it's just me talking to myself. Who's a good dog? All right, well, NutriBullet RX. Probably wanna, if you're gonna do this every day, you wanna protect your hearing. So like I said, you know, this is good for bowel function, weight loss. I'll just wait till I can hear myself think. Sorry about that. Cut the sound off. Pause it. Wish I had a pause button. Okay, I usually let it go the whole smoothie cycle, but this will do just fine. So I call this the dessert shake because it tastes so damn good. Let me just try it real quick. Oh yeah. I usually do 3 scoops of protein powder, kind of do it extra. So keep that protein dessert shake refrigerated. There's probably a couple chunks of banana in here since I didn't go all the way. But the main thing is now the roughage shake. Roughage and good for the brain and good for the bowel and all that. A little turmeric, supposed to be wonderful for my aging brain until I can get the Neuralink implant. And these things, really good. It's not really a laxative, but like a bowel tonifier. And if you're having problems with that kind of thing, put a couple of these in there. Save one to eat. Psyllium husks, can't say enough about that. You could go with Metamucil. This is the more holistic form of Metamucil. About 3 of those in there. So, as if there's not enough greens in there, why not some organic wheatgrass powder? I use more of this when I'm out of my power greens, but hey, just for shits and giggles, if you will. So this is tasty enough to put in the main shake. Gives it an even nuttier, tastier flavor. But yeah, if you're running out the house and you need breakfast, and you can take breakfast by the hand, put that in your cup holder in your car, and while you're driving to work or train skiing, you got breakfast happening. And yeah, so again, this is the roughage / good nutrition shake. I'm going to take all these vitamins along with it. Some chewable vitamin C, vitamin E a la carte, coral calcium, chewable multis, a little fish oil, and triphala and a pear tree on top of that. Okay, but I know I already put some in there, and like I said, you can't even taste it. But here's another big handful in the roughage / homework shake, and I'm gonna empty this in here and dry it so that it lasts longer and doesn't rot. But I don't have that problem with the amount of this I'm consuming these days. And it, probably you don't want to do this just once. If you do this every day, like I said, you could be half or a third vegan without even trying. I hear this works well for weight loss. I've seen it work well for weight loss. And if you're having any kind of problems with bowels in the bathroom, and it's just generally healthy, way to go. So real quick with that, and then that's about it. Wow, 9 minutes already, oh my god. Okay, that's it, YouTube. Sorry about the long video. Okay, roughage shake. Okay.